So we're here in the cave. Got the fire going. It's really nice out, but warming things in here, warming it up in here. I wasn't going to do a video about this, but then I thought, you know what, I haven't done this before, so what the heck, let's do a video. So what we're doing is we're taking some lower grade pine and we're making legs for a round table. Now, from what I measured, I would like the legs to total width each way to be about 32 inches. And what I did was I first screwed these together. And now what I'm going to do is add more to this to make it wider. And then I'm going to taper them down as it goes out. I think it's going to be a cool effect. I'm also going to put some camphor edges on it, but I just wanted to give you a show of where we're starting. So really all I'm doing is just getting started and cutting them to length and burning the, because it's really low grade, so there's a lot of waste. And I think it's going to look great. We're going to stain it when we're done is my plan. But that could change too. We'll see. Let's get back at it.